Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 14th of August. And first of all, national news. India second only to US in number of banks covered by deposit insurance (RBI). India unveiled lethal Swadeshi kamikaze drones with 1000-kilometer range. Rights equal for everyone, Muhammad Yunus after meeting Hindu leaders. DRDO Army successfully tests portable anti-tank missile system. J&K Jammu and Kashmir security on agenda poll commission to meet Home Secretary tomorrow. ISRO chief presented with honorary doctorate by Visvesvaraya Technological University. AI in India healthcare market to reach $1.6 billion by 2025, report said. Women Panchayat leaders, Lakpati Didis, to be special guests at Red Fort Independence Day event. Doctors must work without fear. Medical body chief over Kolkata horror. Neither tired for retired. Bhupinder Hooda on next Haryana Chief Minister. Bail is rule, jail exception. Supreme Court's reminder for anti-terror cases. Now, international news. Hamas targets Israel with M90 rockets, explosions heard in Tel Aviv. Gaza ceasefire deal can delay Iran's response to Israel, a report said. UK vote to overhaul mental health care after fatal stabbing in Nottingham. New algorithm analysis tongue to predict diabetes, stroke with 98% accuracy. Now, sports news. England cricketer Ben Stokes suffered a major injury. PV Sindhu, Lakshya Sen, Satvik Sairaj, Ranki Reddy, Chirag Shetty withdrew from BWF Japan Open. Was a privilege to work with Rohit Sharma, ex-coach Rahul Dravid's big praise for India's skipper. Sports Minister Mansukh Mandaviya to meet Indian men's hockey team to discuss future plan. Arshad Nadeem received 10 crore Pakistan rupees and car with Olympics number plate. Business-related news. Net direct tax collection grew 22% to 6.93 lakh crore. Government data. Adani stocks rally up to 6% after big relief from global index provider. Index providers relief opens potential for foreign inflows in Adani Group. And that's all in news. Thank you.